Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. Got a very short video tutorial that will show you how to make a logo. So to do this, we're going to use Canva, and there's a link in the description for this video that will take you straight to a free trial version of Canva. So check that out once you're done watching the video. It's very easy, very simple to use, very intuitive. Once you're logged in, if you search for the word logo at the top here and give that a press, that'll then give you access to a huge library of different logos that are associated with all kinds of different genres. So you can use this little search or categories at the top here, as well as the filters on the left hand side, and that'll allow you to kind of narrow down your search a little bit and find some specific stuff. You can also use the text-based search at the top there as well. So spend some time browsing what's available and look for stuff that is closest to what you need. Once you've found then a logo that you like the look of and you want to modify it to suit your needs exactly, if you give that a click and then hit customize this template there, that'll open the Canva editor. And that'll allow you then to modify the text, change the font, change the background color, bring in images, delete things, do all manner of things to it. But like I said, try and find a logo which closest resembles what you need. Text, for example, you can just give it a double click and type in whatever you need to there in replacement of it. And then as you can see, when you select an object, the tools in the toolbar here at the top change in correspondence to whatever you've got selected. If there's something in here that you don't want, for example this subtitle here, just give it a click and then hit the little delete icon there. You've got these tabs here on the left hand side. Elements will give you access to the graphics library that is built in. And then you can open groups of things there and then literally just, drag and drop them into your canvas there. If you want to get rid of it, obviously, the little trash icon again. And then uploads will allow you to upload your own images from your local space. And then text is where you add custom text in, also based on presets. So once you've achieved the look that you need, or you've just modified that template quickly, go to share in the top right hand corner and then hit download, and then that'll allow you then to download that as a digital image onto whatever device that you're using. As PNG is usually the best to go for. You can also have PDFs or JPEGs, and that concludes the tutorial. Okay, so that'll give you your logo. So like I said, if you want to give this a go now, there's the ability to do so is down below via a link in the description. If you've enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of this nature, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them as comments down below. Thank you very much.